I fucked up. I lost today's trade. Today is Friday. I'm not supposed to trade. Today is news. I'm not supposed to trade. But I was all over myself. My account was down 2% last week. I took it back to 50k and took it back to 1%, like offering 1%. 1% of 50k is $500. I grew it to $50,400. I had a losing trade on Monday, which I'm not supposed to trade on Monday. But I traded on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I had winning trades. Now I traded on Friday. I lost everything. Not only did I not discipline myself not to trade, I didn't trade. I over-risked. Now I'm down 1%. That means I lost roughly $900, $800 plus today. Today was NFP. I'm having a headache. My head is paining me. All my efforts for the week. I had 5 hours for this week. Then I took this trade. I collected all the 5 hours. Since I collected this Profim account, each week it is like up and down, up and down. I can show you the Profim graph. Finally, when I thought that we are started spiking up, I still fucked up. If I've just followed my risk management, I would just lost $250 and I'm done. But I didn't. I lost the first trade and I entered another trade. I revenge trade. If I've just avoided Friday because I know Friday is not my winning day, and on Mondays I'll have avoided this week loss. I'm tired. I feel I can't cry, I can't shout, I'm just numb. The market has humbled me. In the sense that no matter how good your strategy is, remember there will always be a loss. So apply risk management. Avoid trading news if you don't know fundamental, or if you know little things about fundamental, just completely avoid it. Be strict with yourself. I was overflying myself, I was overthinking myself, I was catching winning trades, back to back, 3 wins in a row. And Friday came, I collected everything. We'll see next week. Let me call the video here. This is how we ended this week. And yes, I was humbled by the market. In short, yes, I was humbled by the market. And yes, before you guys start saying, you're not good, your strategy is not good, and you're supposed to know how to trade very well. Here's my strategy or the week trade for this week. I had 3 straight wins and 2 losses. But all those losses were avoidable if I actually followed my system properly. My system says I should not trade on Monday and I should not trade on Friday. But I traded in those 2 days, and it was those 2 days that I lost. My system says don't trade news, and I traded news. So let me show you all my trade recap for the week. You can check my socials. I have every evidence before I enter the trade. Description of my video, you see my TikTok. You go there, you see my live reactions of all those entering, of those trades I enter. So it's not as if I'm faking it. Go and check it. Go to my Telegram group. They are all there. Evidence is all there. So let's watch it. Yes, this is the trade. Look at. This is 5 minutes. You can see in 5 minutes. See how the market melts it down. Let me remove this. Now, let me show you what I was looking at. First of all, I was looking at to buy today. Because normally price has mitigated the 4-order block and we have been bullish for like 2 days. So coming to the market today, I saw a strip of the high of the liquidity. Usually, if markets want to buy,
is to sweep the low. But sometimes my strategy, even though it sweeps the high, it still move. I think I need to eliminate that rule now because I need to be more selective in my A plus setup. If market want to buy, sweep the low. If market want to sell, sweep the high. Now today, market swept the high. I was like, okay, displacement, recovery of the displacement. Then it started showing, playing around. Then I said, okay. When I started playing around, I was now waiting for what the other block of the engulfing other block. Then I saw this and I entered. Let me show you. This was the one that, if you have seen my shot where I was complaining that that I got stopped out, this was the trade. I entered from there. I put it at 10 pips. You can see exactly 10 pips. And you can see that I was stopped out. Why was I stopped out? Because this blue line here, this line I'm moving now, that I'm moving now, it was a previous daily high, and I knew that market was going to down and suck liquidity. So when price went to suck the liquidity of that daily high, it displaced down and moved to my stop loss. Understand? As a good boy and someone that follow risk management, I should have just stepped out, but I was stubborn. Pride wanted to kill me, and I was like, no. Then I supposed to have been thinking that no, this my strategy doesn't work because it doesn't feel like that. Because normally, say my winning trade is usually 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips. But I said no, I still anticipated to buy. Then what did I do? I picked my fib and said, okay, I'm gonna take the 50% retracement level. 50% retracement level. That's where I entered the 50% of the displacement. But when the news came out, it flushed me away. And you can see I now over-risked and market took me out. So Friday I had a loss, and on Monday I also have a loss. On Monday I was trying to buy the market. This was it. I was trying to buy the market. You can see I was trying to buy the market, but remember what I said now, that I'll be more selective in my entry. Why? Because first of all, price swept the high. So if price swept the high, that means market is selling. Understand? Yes, sometimes it does not. You have to put it in collusion with market structure and daily drawn liquidity. Understand? But today daily drawn liquidity was the FEV and the other block below on Monday. But I was like thinking you should buy up for a short time. But as you can see, sweep of liquidity, displacement, retracement of displacement. After this engulfing candle, I will just enter sell this one here and just sold. Instead, I wanted to I saw this engulfing candle because I was like, okay, since I sweep the low, even now that I'm seeing it now, I know that I did rubbish. If you swept the low, displacement, I did not wait for the collection of the displacement. I just saw the displacement and I entered and I failed. Understand? So that's my 2 losing trade for the week. Now reviewing my 2 winning trade for the week. My 3 winning trade. I have 3 wins straight back to back, and I'll explain the scenario. In this point now, I knew the market was bullish for a while. Understand? Market was bullish for a while. You can see sweep of the Asian low, displacement, recovery of the displacement. Saw this candle, all this candle. I think this trade I entered it on the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, this was just a one printed bullish candle. I entered 10 pips, 1 to 3 hits. So this week I had 3 1 to 3 and 2 losses. So in total I had 7-hour trade. So but I'm still down 1% in my account because I over-risked. Understand? So trading edge is not the problem right now. Now it is money management that I have to deal with personally. You can see sweep of liquidity, displacement, recovery of displacement. Look for the engulfing other block to the direction. Understand? This goes beyond everything. You may not really understand, but you must understand market structure. I knew market structure was bearish, but we have actually mitigated another block which is the 4 order block, and we're going up. So that's why I was like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I was buying to the upside. But I thought market was going to continue on Friday, but Friday was total reversal. I could have avoided Friday because there was news, and Friday most times. So Friday and Monday is going to be out of my trading days now. So look at this candle now. Sweep of liquidity, displacement, recovery of the displacement. The minute I saw this engulfing other block, I entered 1 to 3 out, smashed. So that is how I do my trade. Understand? So that is it. So trading edge is not the problem. The problem now is money management. So that's that on that.
Yeah. So now you've seen it, and you've seen that I know what I'm doing. I have an edge in the market. But what is the problem? You can have an edge, but if you don't know how to do proper risk management, you are going to fail. You can see I traded 5 trades. Those last 2, those Monday trade and Friday trade, are properly avoidable if I followed that. Okay, don't trade on Monday and Friday, but I still trade. And if I've avoided those 2 days, I will have been up 9 hours. Or even though I follow those 2 days and trade and use proper risk management, I will have not been down 1% in my account now. I will still be up 7 hours. Understand? Because my risk reward is 1 to 3, 1 to 3. So what's the conclusion of the story? The conclusion of the story is, yes, I found an edge. Now I need to tackle my money management. I've gone to seminar where somebody showed me his edge. You see that graph? Yes, you have losses. Your edge can never be perfect. Your edge can never be winning and winning and winning. You have losses, but if you use proper risk management or proper money management, the sky is your limit. You just continue going up. You understand? So that's what I've looked into, Kenny, and even the NFP showed me some trick again, in which I'm going to look into this weekend and backtest really well and fine-tune my strategy very well. So yeah, I lost $800. Yeah, but we're down 1% in our 50K account. All the full videos of the documentary of the 50K account will be shown on Tuesday. So do wait to subscribe or stay tuned. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 of the documentary, go there. You go to my playlist. You see the video there. So if you stay to this extent, I love you guys. Thank you for always supporting and vibing with me. Thank you. All right, so I wish you guys all the best on your next trade. Peace out.